Okay, I'm here at the Fields residence to perform a repairability video to show the insurance company that with these architectural shingles, it's very hard to repair these shingles without damaging the surrounding shingles. So what I'm using today is a 15-inch crowbar, a hammer, and I have an inch and a quarter nails, just roofing nails for the sake of time. I didn't have staples, that was just what was in my truck. So I'll go ahead and break the seal here of the shingle that I want to extract. Trying to keep it at a 40-degree angle to not damage the surrounding shingles here. Depending on what manufacturer guidelines are, they could use shingles, or staples. They could use nails. Looks like they went ahead and used nails here, same ones I have. Keep this. You see me tugging a little bit, it's because they are stable, or they are nailed in. Some of these get stuck on here, they're called nail pops. So I'm going to try to find those ones that are stuck. There's one. You have to remember, it's very important when we're putting these back in. On the nail strip here, there's 1 puncture hole, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 puncture holes, nail holes from the previous roof replacement or roof install. Now, it's going to be very hard for us to just repair this and throw any kind of mastic or caulking and to get it in those holes that were already there, and also me putting in new holes to make sure the shingle is now adhere to the bottom part of the roofing system, the sheathing. So not only is it going to be hard to fill all those holes so water can't seep in, it's going to be very hard to do this and not damage the surrounding shingles. For the sake of time, again, I'll just use the same nails that they have, and I have a couple more here. Put this back here for you. See, there's nail pops all the way up here when we do it this way, guys. bottom portion of the nail strip and also way up here at the top of the nail strip. Very hard to do that. So you can see it was pretty hard with this laminate architectural shingle to take the nail out for repair. Right here is where I put the new nail. You can see right there. Above, a light brush. Look at this. It's a very old roof, guys. It was damaged with hail and rain. With all the different repairs